One thing that I was really looking for in a coffee maker was I wanted it to make a pot of coffee as well as have K-cup capabilities. I prefer to make a pot of coffee. My husband prefers K-cups. So having a coffee maker that was able to do both was really important for me. I've used Cuisinart coffee makers in the past. I've always been very happy with them. Right here is for your K-cups. One thing that I like is if you're making a smaller cup, so that you don't have any drippage, spillage, you can just pull this down. Another nice thing is cleaning. It's very easy to clean. You know, sometimes the coffee drips down in there when you're making a K-cup. Also, another feature that I was really looking for was I like the auto on. So I make my coffee the night before. That way when I wake up in the morning, the coffee's already made, which is, you know, very convenient. Another thing I like is the side where the K-cups go, you can easily lift this up, pull it out, go fill it with water, and then put it back. It also has a filter, so it filters your water for you. All you have to do is open up this little piece, and then you can change out that filter whenever you need to. I would definitely recommend this coffee maker. I've been very happy with it. Another nice thing that comes with it is you have this reusable K-cup. So if you're not wanting to buy K-cups, or maybe you have a specific coffee that you like, you can always make your own K-cup.
Hi everyone, this is the Cuisinart SS16, and I had one that shipped that failed. We had the pod K-cup side of the machine not working, and so I returned it to Amazon. They sent me another one in its place, and I unboxed this one and have it set up with water on the back side. K-cup properly set to clean. And when I press the pod button, again, this unit is also not working on the pod side, the K-cup side of the machine. I don't know what Cuisinart is doing, but they have failed 2 for 2 to ship a device that works. The Carafe side of the unit brews fine, and everything on this side, on the right side, is just like a normal Cuisinart coffee maker, but this K-cup side is not working. I've watched all the YouTube videos, all the reviews, read the manual. It's not working. So I don't know what Cuisinart's doing, but I'm giving this a 1-star review, and I would give it a 0 review if I had that option.
Let me hear.